Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Linear Inequalities exercise 6.3 question number 5. Let's see the question. Solve the following inequalities graphically. So we are going to solve it by graph. Here the given question is 2x minus y is greater than 1. Here x minus 2y is less than minus 1. So we are going to solve for x and y. Here in inequalities we don't know to do in graph, but we know to do in equal to. So I am going to take let 2x minus y is equal to 1. The same way let x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. By taking the value of x and y, if I put x is equal to 0, my y will be equal to minus 1. If I put y to be equal to 0, my x will be equal to half. The same way here, putting x is equal to 0, y will be equal to half. Putting y to be equal to 0, x will be equal to minus 1. Now we will plot the point on the graph. Here 0 comma minus 1, then 0 comma half, 1 half comma 0. Half comma 0 is 0.5. So this is your line. Just expand it, join the point, extend the line. This is your first equation. Now for the second one, it's 0 comma half minus 1 comma 0. So extend this to point. Taking 0 comma 0, put the solution on your given question. Write 0 comma, substitute 0 comma 0 value on your question. If I substitute it here, it becomes 0 minus 0 will become 0. So 0 is greater than 1. 0 is greater than 1 is false. Now substituting 0 comma 0, we have 0 is less than minus 1. Even this is false. Both the case it is false. So your graph will be away from the origin. Away from the origin means in the first line it should be away from the origin. Here it's your origin, it should be away from it. The same way for this line, it should be away from the origin. This is the common place where both the shaded region means. So this will be your solution. Therefore, the shaded region should be away from the origin. This is for both the cases, it should be away from the origin because it is false by substituting 0 comma 0. So we can directly say that the common shaded region shows the solution of the inequalities. That's all with the sum. Thank you.